Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership directly from your Google Play Store account. This is particularly useful if you subscribe to Prime through Google Play, as you'll need to manage it from there rather than Amazon's website. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out. First, open your web browser and navigate to play.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the same Google account that you use to subscribe to Amazon Prime, as this is crucial for accessing the right subscription settings. After you've logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Payments and Subscriptions. This section houses all your billing information and active subscriptions tied to your Google Play account, making it the central hub for managing what you're paying for. In the top menu of the Payments and Subscriptions page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Subscriptions. This will display a comprehensive list of all the services you're currently subscribed to through Google Play. It's worth taking a moment here to review what's active, as you might discover other subscriptions you've forgotten about. Now, although I don't personally have an active Prime Video subscription to show you, I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see in the next steps. Find and select Amazon Prime or Prime Video from your list of subscriptions. The naming might vary slightly depending on which service you initially signed up for, but both will lead you to the same cancellation process. Once you've selected the subscription, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription and click on it. Google Play will likely present you with some information about what you'll lose access to and when your subscription will officially end. This is standard practice to ensure you understand the implications of canceling. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may see a button that says Continue to Cancel. If this appears, go ahead and click it to proceed with the cancellation process. Google sometimes tries to offer alternative plans or discounts at this stage, so be mindful of what you're clicking if you're certain you want to cancel. Finally, you'll need to confirm the cancellation by tapping the Final Cancel Subscription or End Membership button. This is your last chance to change your mind, so make sure this is what you want to do. Once you click this button, your Amazon Prime membership will be scheduled for cancellation, though you'll typically retain access until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon Prime membership through Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.